Hello viewers, welcome to my another tutorial video. In this video I will show that how to fix Instagram an unexpected error occurred problem. Please solve this problem. You can follow the step. Step 1. Restart your device. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application. Tap on search. Tap on search bar. Search Instagram application. Tap on Instagram. Then you can update on Instagram application. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Then you can search Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Then you can tap Instagram clear cache. Again tap on phone setting. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Step 6. Open your Instagram. Tap on profile picture. Tap on 3 line. Scroll down. Tap on help. Then tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Then you can brief explain your Instagram problem. Submit your report on Instagram team. Then open Instagram apps. Refresh your Instagram application. Please solve this problem. Solve this problem. In this video helpful for us. Please like and subscribe my channel.